Welcome back, guys. What's up? Any background noise that you're hearing, it might just be the rain. It's raining right now, so yeah. So for today's video, I have CurlsCurls. That's a company that's sponsoring today's video, so shout out to them. Love curls, love yourself. And it's just a nice plain box, you know. It has their social media listed in the back and their website and email address. So yeah, so let's see what's up. It's a headband wig. So we got our headbands here in the front. Oh, these look good. These are scarves. These are head scarves. So our head wraps. Oh my gosh, that's nice. And then I'm seeing the wig here. And then in the bottom of the box, I'm seeing a booklet, or pamphlet rather. It's just about hair care and all those stuff, you know. It's 18 inches long. That's how long the wig is today. Oh, I got an extra pair of comb, like I could put in the wig if I want. Alright, so let me take this out of the net. Okay, so this is a very tight, curly hair. And as I said, it's 18 inches. So you know the shrinkage is going to be, there's going to be a lot of shrinkage. So, you know, classic headband wigs construction. The band portion is here. And then in the inside it says YC Headband Wig 10. I guess that's the name. And yeah, it has 3 combs in the front portion here of the cap and 1 comb in the back. It has adjustable straps. Also, if you want to make it tighter or looser, you can also use the headband portion. So you could stick this like further to the end to make it looser, or stick it more to the inner portion. So, and it's a very strong hold, as you can see. So that's really good. That ensures even more security on your head. I'm gonna put the specifications, such as, like, you know, the density, stuff like that, in the description box, so you guys can check it out. And also I'll put the direct link down there. Guys, Black Friday is coming up, so all these wigs that I'm showing you, like, get ready for the Black Friday sales, okay? But yeah, this is so nice. It's so full. And again, this texture is very close to my texture. It's a little bit coarser, but it's very close, like the curl pattern, very close to my natural hair texture. So you can always get away with this texture looking like it's your hair. If you're, you know, a curly girl like me, if you're dark skin like me, and you have hair like me, of course, you can always get away with a wig like this, making it look like it's your hair, you know. But I'm gonna go ahead and slip this on for you guys now. I love, look, you see how full and nice it is? No, I did not apply anything to this. Like, I like the little volume, so I feel like I'm actually going to keep it like this today. I'm going to keep it like this today, and I'm going to go ahead and try on these head scarves for you. Like, it really reminds me of my natural hair. So this is just the headband portion right now. And I have 5 headbands here. These are not exactly like the other headbands that I usually get. These have more coverage, you know. I got one already that's like this, so you know, there's some really nice prints. So I'm gonna go ahead and try them out for you guys. Cause I can't see you anywhere. You could bring it back, like, you know, a semi-ponytail vibe. Isn't that cute? it is so pretty. I love this. Okay, I love all of them, but you see the scarves, I love them. You can actually tie them up in any way that you want. I just wanted to keep it simple. The hair, as I said, the quality feels amazing. It feels very strong, you know, strong type 4 hair texture. Yeah, so CurlsCurls, you win. The curls are amazing, and if you go ahead and decide to wet this up, you know how that is, because I'm always wetting up my curly hair, but today I wanted to, you know, a change, you know. So I said, okay, I'm gonna rock it as is and not sweat it up. So I'm loving the look. It is absolutely stunning, absolutely beautiful. So CurlsCurls, shout out to you for that. As I said, I'm going to put all the information on this wig down below, so if you're interested in going ahead and getting this for yourself, go ahead and do so. That's pretty much it for today's wig. I hope you like it. If you did, if you liked it, if it was an informative video, you know, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Also check out all the information in my description box. I'm going to list everything you need to know about this wig and the direct link to it down below, as I mentioned before. Don't forget to go ahead and follow me on all socials. Yes, I'm not on every single platform, but don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. I know sometimes, I don't know what's up with the notifications, but I see that sometimes people are saying they're not getting notified even though they have their post notification turned on. So I don't know what that's about, but just keep up with me, because I always post like on my Instagram when I do upload a new video on either one of my channels. So follow me on my Instagram. It's on the screen, Petite Essence. Go ahead and follow me. Also check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. I do upload over there weekly. Like, I'm very consistent. I can't say that enough. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So until then, go and pick up on yourself.